If you're learning Java and want to code like a professional, this is one concept you can't afford to skip. Arrays are great, but they come with one big limitation: their size is fixed. Once you create an array, you can't expand it. But in the real world, data is rarely predictable. You might need to add, remove, or change elements constantly. That's where array lists come in. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how array lists work but also how to create, modify, and manipulate them efficiently, skills every Java developer needs for projects, interviews, and real-world problem solving. Section 1. What is an array list? So, what exactly is an array list? An array list is a resizable array that stores objects in Java. Unlike regular arrays, which have a fixed length, array lists can grow or shrink automatically as elements are added or removed. They belong to the java.util package, so the first step is to import it. Import java.util.array list. To create one, we write array list integer list equals new array list. The diamond operator indicates we're using generics, which simply means we tell Java what type of data we're storing. In this case, integers. Since Java collections can only hold objects, not primitive types like int or double, we use wrapper classes such as integer, double, or boolean. Java automatically converts between primitives and their wrappers through autoboxing, so if you add a number to the list, Java wraps it up as an object behind the scenes. Section 2. Adding elements. Let's add elements to our array list using the add method. List.add3. List.add1. List.add2. If we print it, we'll see 3, 1, 2. You can also create a list of strings. Array list string fruits equals new array list. Fruits.addApple. Fruits.addOrange. Fruits.addBanana. Fruits.addCoconut. When printed, the output will be apple, orange, banana, coconut. This is the beauty of array lists: you can add as many elements as you like, and it automatically expands to fit them. Section 3. Removing and replacing elements. What if you need to delete something from your list? Just use remove and specify the index. Fruits.remove 0. This removes the first element, apple. The updated list becomes orange, banana, coconut. You can also replace an existing item using set. Fruits.set 0, pineapple. Now, the element at index 0 becomes pineapple. So remember, add adds, remove deletes, and set replaces, 3 essential operations you'll use all the time. Section 4. Accessing and reading data. If you want to read a specific element, use get and pass in the index. Fruits.get0, / pineapple fruits.get1, / banana fruits.get2, / coconut. To check how many elements your array list currently holds, call size. It returns the total number of elements inside the list. Section 5. Sorting an array list. Need to arrange your list in order? Java makes it easy with the collections class. Just import it. Import java.util.collections. Then call collections.sortFruits. If your list contains strings, they'll be sorted alphabetically. If it contains numbers, they'll be sorted in ascending order. So our fruit list now becomes apple, banana, coconut, orange. Section 6. Iterating through the list. If you want to print every element, use an enhanced for loop, also called a for each loop. 4. String fruit, fruits, system.out.println fruit. It automatically cycles through each item and prints it. Output: apple, banana, coconut, orange. This approach is simple, readable, and widely used in real-world Java projects. Section 7. Example with user input. Now, let's put everything together in a short interactive example. We'll use the scanner class to take input from the user. Scanner equals new scanner system.in. We'll ask how many food items the user wants to enter. System.out.print. Enter the number of foods you would like. Int num of food equals scanner.nextInt, scanner.nextLine, / clear input buffer. Then we'll create our array list and use a loop to accept user input. Array list string foods equals new array list 4, int I equals 1, I less than equals num of food, I++, System.out.print enter food number plus I plus, string food equals scanner.next line, foods.add food. System.out.println foods, scanner.close, if a user enters pizza, hot dog, burger, and taco, the output will be pizza, hot dog, burger, taco. This example shows how flexible array lists are. They grow automatically as new data is added, without any fixed size limitation. And that's the essence of array lists in Java. They're dynamic, easy to use, and incredibly powerful when handling collections of data. You've learned how to create array lists, add, remove, and update elements, access items by index, sort and loop through them, and even handle user input dynamically. If you're serious about becoming a Java developer, mastering array lists isn't optional, it's foundational. They form the backbone of Java's collections framework, which you'll use in almost every application, from simple programs to enterprise-level software. Keep experimenting, build small projects, and explore how array lists can make your code more flexible and efficient. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video, where we'll dive even deeper into Java's collection types.